Hi team, today I'm doing a core workout. We're going to be doing 5 different skills. We've got 10 reps of each skill. We're going for 4 rounds. Okay, I'm just going to talk you through it as I go. Starting off with 10 kickouts. Okay, into a side plank, we're doing 10 hip drivers. Touch your hip to the floor, bringing it up nice and high. And to the other side. Okay, leg raises. For an extra bit of a challenge, hold a plate above your chest. Coming up into 20 Russians. Finishing off with V-sit, we're going to pulse for 10 seconds. Done. So repeat that 3 more times, 4 rounds in total. Enjoy.